This is my Logitech MX keyboard that for some reason doesn't accept a charge anymore. When I connect a charger, it shows 0 amps. First suspect, the battery. Let's see if it is easily accessible. There are 3 screws behind its 3 rubber feet, and after removing them, the plastic cover is easily removed. Measuring the battery shows 3.6 volts, which is not what we expect when the battery is the problem. Then it would be a lot closer to 0 volts. Let's inspect the input. That looks a bit loose and shouldn't move like that. I think it broke. Let's take out the board and see what we can do with that broken port. The components are all very tiny, and replacing the USB port might be possible with a hot air station, but that could also damage the rest of the board. The main thing for now is that I want to charge and use the keyboard. So how about we do a bit of a workaround to make it charge again, and we can install a new port in another video. So I have this little micro USB board, of which you can buy a bag of 40 for less than you pay for a glass of beer in a cafe these days. So instead of buying that beer, which will be gone within 20 minutes, treat yourself to a bag of USB ports that will last a lifetime. So now we can remove the USB port from the board. It's not the most subtle way like this, but on the other hand, I don't have to worry about burning anything. That went quite well. Let's see if we have a decent solder point for the ground and the plus 5 volts. For the ground we can use this point that was connected to the outside of the USB port. For the plus 5 volts we can use this test point. It wasn't meant to be used for that purpose, but the USB port wasn't meant to break either, and it is the best option here. Now let's test whether it charges or not. And it does! So this temporary fix will let me charge and use the keyboard for now. I ordered this USB port, which should fit nicely in the housing without the need for manipulating the PCB too much. When it arrives, I will install it and make a video, so please subscribe so you won't miss it. What would you have done in my case? Would you have brought in the hot air station and replaced the complete USB-C port, or do you think this is a functional repair that may be less subtle but does the job? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and press the join button to become part of my repair community for less than the price of a can of a fizzy drink. I hope you will join me in the next video. Bye then!